Hey guys, Cliffjumper38 here, back with another video. And today, we're going to be making a chocolate protein shake. So to start off, I'm going to take this bottle, going to put in some water, some ice, my bad. Probably this much. And then, I'm going to put in some bananas. I'm just using some Great Value bananas for this. Just frozen bananas, that's all you need. I put I'm just gonna put in like this much maybe. Nah, maybe like this much. So then we're gonna take this. I might put the camera down for a second, so my apologies. So, gonna take this, take a scoop. Not sure if that's enough. I guess we could try. Then the milk, using some chocolate protein milk. Alright, so we got that. Then I'm going to take this peanut butter right here. I'm going to take one scoop. I know it might look disgusting at first, but hey, once we put this on and blend it, it's gonna look so much better, man. I'm serious, dude. So, yeah, let me put this on real quick. We got to put this on and not the actual lid where we put the straw and stuff in. So we're gonna, we gotta blend it, so we don't want everything spilling out, you know what I mean? Alright, so I accidentally stopped the video, so yeah, I'm gonna edit this in. So to continue where we left off, so we so power, then single serve. I think that should be good. So, I'll put it down for a second. So we can take this off and replace it with the Ninja one. So I'm just using the Ninja bottle. So, we're gonna put this on, and we're gonna put a straw in after. Alright, so we just gotta put the straw in now. My camera skills are awful, man. I'm sorry. Gotta move, boy. like hard to do this when I have to hold it, cause my like stand just sucks. Tripod. All right, let me try this. Pretty good. Yeah, so I hope that helped. Yeah, if it did, like and subscribe. You can dislike the video if you were bothered by my camera skills. But yeah, smash that like button and subscribe. Yeah, see you.